welcome to Progress Academy. We have a problem on the board. The question reads, solve the equation 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 sine squared theta for the values of theta between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. Alright, so let's take down our solution. We have 1 plus cos theta equals to 2 sine squared theta. This is the question. But we know a relation in trigonometry that says, so I'm going to put that relation. The relation says that sine squared theta is the same as 1 minus cos squared theta. So that means where I have sine squared theta, I'm going to substitute it with 1 minus cos squared theta. That means my equation will turn out to be 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 into 1 minus cos squared theta. So I will open the bracket in the next step. I have 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 into 1, 2 times this minus 2 cos squared theta. Okay, I'll find a way to take everything I have here to the left hand side. So let this cross over. I will have, this is negative. When it crosses over, it becomes positive. So we have 2 cos squared theta. I have cos theta here plus cos theta. I already have 1 here plus 1. Then plus 2 will cross over, becomes minus 2. Nothing is left here, so equal to 0. Alright, so I have that 2 cos squared theta, bring it down, plus cos theta plus 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 equal to 0. Now let me substitute something here. Let me say, let cos theta be equal to y. So anywhere I see cos theta here, I will represent it with y. So this is cos squared theta, that means y squared. And I'm going to have, this will give me 2y squared plus y minus 1 equal to 0. I will solve this by factorization. It's a quadratic equation. So if I find the factors of two numbers that when they multiply themselves, they will give me minus 2y squared. And when they add themselves, I'll have plus y. So the two numbers will be, I substitute for this. I have 2y squared plus 2y minus y minus 1 equal to 0. So let me factorize. What is common between 2y squared and 2y? 2y is common. So 2y will go here. 2y squared divided by 2y, I will have y plus 2y divided by 2y, I will have 1. So minus 1 into y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, I have the same thing inside the bracket. I'll pick 1. So this will give me that 2y minus 1, then y plus 1 is equal to 0. So it's either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. Alright, so let's continue with our solution. I'll clean part of the board. So if we continue with our solution, we're going to see this is either this is equal to 0. So I say we're going to have that 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 or y plus 1 is equal to 0. So let's solve further here. We're going to have that 2y is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 over 2. But we know that y is the same thing as cos theta. So let's go back. So in place of y, I will represent it with cos theta. I'll say therefore, cos theta is equal to 1 over 2. Theta will now be cos inverse of 1 over 2. And what is the cos inverse of 1 over 2? It will give us 60 degrees. So theta is 60 degrees. So when we come over to this other side, alright, but theta can be 60 degrees. Okay, for a positive angle of theta, you know, cos of an angle is positive in the first and fourth quadrant. So from the fourth quadrant, we can say that sine theta is equals to 360 sine 360 degree minus theta. So 360 minus 60 will give me 300. So theta can also be equal to 300 degree. Okay, we come over here. Y will be equals to minus 1. Y is the same as cos theta. So cos theta is equals to minus 1. Theta will be equals to cos inverse of minus 1. So what is the cos inverse of minus 1? 180 degrees. Alright, so we've obtained three values of theta occurring between 0 and 360. We now summarize and say therefore theta is equals to 60 degrees, 180 degrees, or 300 degrees. Alright, so these are the values of theta between 0 and 360. Bye.